Hey guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. We are organizing, decluttering, and oh man, I want you to feel so motivated this week to tackle something in your home. This week I got a text from my friend Julie, who you guys have seen in lots of my videos. She's a mom of two, a makeup artist, not to mention she is a sweet friend of mine. And there were two places in her kitchen that were driving her crazy. Underneath of her kitchen sink and the area by her garage door. Julie's spaces are such a reflection of so many people. You've got extra clutter, and that clutter creates lack of direction in the space. And I knew there were some simple ways we could tackle this and do it fast. Plus, her daughter was really excited to help.
Hey guys!
Decluttering was the first step, and decluttering does not have to be a burden. I think most times we think about decluttering as being this terrible thing that's gonna take forever and be really emotionally draining, but we found it was actually pretty fun.
Halloween soap from probably 2 years ago. Guess what? 'Tis the season! Woo! Do you remember when the hurricane hit and I was like, I have no idea what the cord for my lantern is?
Julie was amazing and ruthless at donating things she no longer needed so we could apply the arm's reach rule. All of the things that you need to access on a frequent basis should be so easy to get to. To create the space you want to have, you've got to get rid of what you don't. And remember, you are the boss. Your clutter is not the boss of you.
Oh, you moved beyond the under kitchen sink. Girlfriend.
I did. It's actually really fast though, like we're almost done.
Yeah.
That's a spray.
Oh, thank you. Would you put that in the pile for us? Wonderful. Making a space look pretty is totally different than organizing and creating new systems. And here are a few quick ideas I hope will inspire you. Once underneath of the sink was clean, we added a liner mat in case of future spills, and we kept everything really visual and simple. We added a lazy Susan in the back to work around the pipes so it was easy to get to those products, because otherwise it would have become a jumbled mess again. Aim for ridiculous visual simplicity and you can't go wrong. One spot for her garbage bags, a spot for candles, a spot for dishwasher tablets. Underneath of the sink, having an over-the-door hanger is perfect for all cleaning supplies. That makes them ridiculously easy to get to. And as an added bonus, she now has a spot for her towel. Garage door, after we cleaned everything out, we added bins for all of the people in her family so they all have a spot for important items to go. We refined her basket system on the top with things like sunglasses and hair tools as she's getting ready to go out the door. We added a spot for winter gear and cleaned up the bottom of the cabinet so things were really simple and easy to access. And I don't know about you, but one thing that was really bothering Julie was all of the excess paperwork in the kitchen. So now she has a designated dollar store tray where she can put all of that stuff. And of course, you better believe all the stuff I'm showing you in this video, it's all from the Dollar Tree. This does not have to be expensive. Come on now, you know how I roll. One of my favorite parts about helping other people get organized is seeing the before and after change and the sigh of relief and just ease that they have when their space is actually working for them.
Kathryn!
Do you love it?
Oh my gosh, this is amazing! Yeah, baby. Hold on. There is a place for everything. This is awesome. I love it.
Good.
Are you excited, Zero? Happy mom, happy life.
Do you feel motivated? If you do, leave it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so next time I post, you don't miss an upload. I'm grateful for you guys, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye. While we are working, Julie has the best tip for cleaning washcloths. This is amazing.
I do not put my washcloths in the washer with my clothes because I feel like it makes them stink. But I do put them in the dishwasher and it helps disinfect them. That's my tip.
And now I'm going to be doing this too. That is amazing. I love it.
And I put my toys in an order.
You do. She is like ready to be my assistant, girl.